Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. And both controls to volume control we have at the right ear cup. Right here we have volume up and volume down buttons. Now let me play some song and I will show it to you what we should do. So to increase the volume you need to press one time at the volume up button, would have a plus icon here, and as you can see at this widget it works. To lower the volume use volume down button, would have a minus icon, and again just press it, not press and hold, only press, and you will lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!